I'm Anil Kumar. Here are two examples to factor binomial with higher powers. You can pause the video, copy the question, factor, and then look into my suggestions. So let's do them one by one. So the question on the left side is x to the power of 2p minus y to the power of 2p. The right one here is 1 over 4x cubed minus 25xy squared. So let's do the left side one first. Now, we could write this as difference of squares. We could write this as x to the power of p whole square minus y to the power of p whole square. Once we get difference of square, we could write this as sum and product of sum and difference, right? So we could write this as x to the power of p plus y to the power of p times x to the power of p minus y to the power of p, correct? So that is the factored form for the given question. Now sometimes you may have p as 3, 6, something like that. In that case, we could have further factored it. But at present, that becomes our final answer. Okay, now let's look into the next one. 1 over 4 x cubed minus 25xy squared. So x is a common factor. So let's group factor x. Then what are we left with? We have 1 over 4 x squared minus 25y squared. Now these are perfect squares, right? So we could write this as x over 2 whole square minus 5y whole square. Do you get it? So now we have difference of squares, and that could be factored as their sum and difference product, right? So we have x over 2 plus 5y times x over 2 minus 5y. So that is how you can factor this particular question. I would like you to go through this video once again and understand how to group factor and combine it with difference of squares to factor such binomials. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.